Alright, so this is going to be a video of the 42-inch white Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus ceiling fan that's installed in the guest room at the guest house and fan's house at Sarah's house. This is identical to the one in the kitchen over there, except this one has the white side facing down. Oops, I think I accidentally stepped on it too much. There we go. It stopped. It's similar to the one in the kitchen stopping, but this one has the white side facing down. And I'll show you the other side. The other side is oak. So yeah, but other than that, it's identical. These are the two bulges, which they are original to the fan. Just started the light. Remember that this is actually the most wobbliest fan in the house, actually. But it's not wobbling right now, surprisingly. Here's low speed. Do I need to leave the light on? Well, I guess you guys can see it all right. It's about to sunrise out here anyways. So don't worry. Let me put it in the right angle. There we go. Now I'll take it up to medium. Here's medium speed. But this fan is quiet, surprisingly, but in person, in real life, this fan wobbles a lot, but in this game, it does not wobble, surprisingly. Alright, here goes high. This is high speed. But the pro about this fan, it actually blows a lot of air, surprisingly. But mostly it wobbles and buzzes a lot. Now this is gonna be the other landmarks. I have two more fans to film, which is gonna be the landmark in the laundry room, which is also at the white side facing down. And I'm going to do the Oakhurst. It's not Hampton Bay Oakhurst. It's a Hunter Oakhurst. Hunter Oakhurst. Show high the light. That's it. This is the 42-inch white Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus ceiling fan that is installed in the guest bedroom at fan's house at Sarah's house. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for